Good morning, student. Welcome back to the business communication last session. Dear student, in the previous session, we are discussed about hangers, charts, and kindlers. So, what are the advantages? What are the meaning? So, what are the benefit to the business of these Angstrom or charts? Okay. So, dear student, in this session we are discussing about social network. Introduction. Social networking reveals allow like-minded individuals to be in touch each other using website and web-based applications. Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, and LinkedIn are example of social networking sites. The definition of term social network is still very loose as it is still a relatively new technology that subject to rapid change. Natural satisfaction and sheer population are what define major social networks today. Users voluntarily connected with each other when they share something in common. For example, two users may know each other personally or then happen to share a common so to share common interest. Moreover, these sites have growth to accommodate a multitude of users. Facebook alone has over a half billion users. Internet markets see these two traits as an opportunity to tap their potential. Meaning of social network. A social network is the use of internet-based social media site to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or client. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both through sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Social network has become a significant base for the marketers seeking to engage customers. Despite some stiff competition, Facebook remains the largest and most popular social network within 2.8 billion people using the platform on the monthly basis as on the 31st December of 2020, the year 2020. It was followed in order to popularity by Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, and Pinterest according to statistics. Some of the key important points of social media, social networking is the use of internet-based social media platform to stay connected with friends, family, or peers. The most popular social network site in the USA including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Marketers use the social networking for increasing brand recognition and encouraging brand loyalty. Social media can help connect the people and business and help promote brand awareness. There are disadvantages related to social media including the spread of misinformation and the high cost of using and maintaining social network profiles. Definition of social media. Social media sites and apps help the people share idea and build communities. See how social media can help you grow your business and gain customers. So, importance of social network. Social networks are important because they allow people to develop relationship with others with whom they might not otherwise be able to connect. It also helps boost business productivity when used for public relations, marketing and advertising purpose. How social network works? Social networks involve the development and maintenance of personal and business relationship using technology. This is done through the use of social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. These sites allow people and corporations to connect with one another so they can develop relationship and so they can share information, idea and message. Family members who are far apart may remain connected through personal social networking sites like Facebook. They can share photos and updates on things that are going on their lives. People can also connect with others who share the same interest. Individuals can find each other through groups, lists and the use of hashtags. Social networking is commonly used by marketers so they can increase brand recognition and encouraging brand loyalty. Since it makes a company more accessible to new customers and more recognizable for existing customers, social media marketing helps promote a brand's voice and content. So I will give example recently. I give the recently example. So a frequent Twitter user may hear of company for the first time through a new feed and decide to buy a product or service. The more exposed people are to be a company's brand, the greater the company's chance of finding and retaining new customers. Marketers use social networking as a way to improve conversion rates. Building a following provide access to and interaction with new, recent and old customers. Sharing blog, post, images, video or comments on social media also followers to react, visit the company website and become the customers. Social consideration. So there is not a one size fit all approach to marketing strategy. That's because every business is unique and has a different target demographic history and competitive marketable because social networking companies want to business to pay for their advertising. Company often restrict the number of reach business may receive through unpaid post. For example, if the company has 500 followers, the followers may not all receive the same post. The constantly evolving the nature of social networking make it challenging to keep up with changes and also influence a company's marketing success rate. Some of the advantage disadvantages of social networking also there. So already I will told or mentioned above, a social networking allow the individual to keep in contact with family and friends they would otherwise not able to connect with because distance or because they simple lost touch. People can also connect with other individuals who share the same interest and develop new relationship. Social networking also allow the companies to connect with new and existing clients. They can also use social media to create, promote and promote. So social networking also allow companies to connect with new and existing clients. They can also use social media to create, promote and increasing the brand awareness. They also rely on reviews and comments made by their client. The more customer post about a company, the more valuable the brand authority becomes. This lead to more sales and higher ranking in search engines. Social networking can therefore help establish a brand as legitimate, creditable, and trustworthy. A company may use networking to demonstrate its customer service level and enrich its relationship with customers. For example, if a customer complains about the product or service on Twitter, the company may address the issue immediately, apologize, and take action to make it right. So, some of along with advantages, there are some disadvantages also there. Social networking can have a big impact on spread of misinformation, and it can spread like wildfire. This became increasingly prevalent after 2012. This information started as a rumors which spread faster than facts. One study found that misinformation is 70% more than likely to be shared than factual information on Twitter. A networking on social media can have just a much of detrimental impact on companies. Criticism of brand can spread very quickly on social media. This can create a virtual headache for a company's public relationship department. Networking on social media can have just as much of much have determined impact on companies. Although social networking itself is building and maintaining a company profile take hours each week. Cost for these hours and add up quickly. In addition, business need many followers before a social media marketing campaign start generating a positive return on investment. That means ROI, return on investment. For example, submitting a post to 15 followers does not have the same effect as submitting the post to 15,000 followers. 15,000 followers. Some of the pro and con also existing, some fronts possible. People can use social media to connect with others, including friends, family, and those with the same interest. Companies can use social network to reach new and existing clients and to build and improve their brand name. Corporations that use social media can connect with their clients and demonstrate the level of their customer service. These are the pros. And also some cons, pro and cons are social media help spread misinformation. Criticism of companies can spread quickly and causing problem for their problem relation departments. Advertising and maintaining a corporate profile on social media can be costly example of social network. Almost every product or service you see or use in backed by company that has a social media presence. It's virtually impossible to think of any major corporation that does not operate, market, and advertise on social networks. Tapping into social media is not only a good business practice, but it's also necessary if you are going to succeed in the corporate world. The purpose of social network. So social network serve as way to connect individual with other people and business to share information, idea and messages. The companies also use social network to create and increasing brand recognition, promote products and service and to answer customer queries and concern. Social networks serve as way to connect individual with other people and business to share information, idea and message. The companies also use social network to create and increasing brand recognition, promote product and service and to answer customer queries and concern. So the main types of social network. The main types of social network using name like Facebook, Instagram, Facebook Messenger and Twitter. They are the most popular social network site in the United States, other including Pinterest, Tumblr, Snapchat, TikTok and YouTube. LinkedIn in another popular site which help connect professional with co-workers, business, contact and employer. More understanding of the network effect. The network effect is phenomena where the good service become more valuable when more people use it. Read how the network effect help companies grow more. What is social commerce? Social commerce is the use of network websites such as the Facebook and Pinterest as vehicles to promote commercial product and service. More social identified. More social identify is a common image as a derived from its relationship with all of its stakeholder. More what is social media network? Social media network means SMM is the use of social media website and social network to market company product and services. Social media optimization SMO. A social media optimization is the use of social media network to manage and grow an organization message and online presence. A social network service is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relationship with other people who share the similar personal or career interest, activities, backgrounds or real life connection. Social networking services vary in front and number of features. They can incorporate a range of new information and communication tools. Operating on desktop and laptops, on mobile devices such as tablet, computer and smartphone. They may features digital photo or video or sharing and diary entry, online blogging, online community service or sometimes consider social network service by developer and user. Through in the broader sense, a social network service or group centered defined as website that facilitate the build of network of contact in order to exchange various type of content online. Social network sites provide a space for interaction to continue behind in personal interaction. These computer meditated interaction link members of various networks and may help to both maintain and develop new social and professional relationship. A social network sites allow user to share idea, digital photos, videos, post and to inform other about online or real world activities and events with people in their network. While in person, social networking such as gathering in village, market to talk about events has existed since the earliest development of tons. The web enables people to connect with others who live in the different location, ranging from across a city to across the world, depending on the social media platform. Members may be able to connect any other members. In other case, members can contact anyone they have connection to and subsequently anyone that contact has connection to and so on. The success of social network service can be seen in their domains in society today. With Facebook having massively 2.13 billions active monthly users and an average 1.4 billion daily active user 2017. Linked in a career oriented social network service generally requires that a members personally know another member in real life before they contact them online. Some services require members to have pre-existing connection to contact other members. The main types of social network service contain category place such as age or occupation or religions, means to connect with friends, and a recommendation system linked to trust. One can categorize social network service in the four types. Socialization social network services used preliminary for socializing with existing friends. Next, online social network are decentralized and distribute computer network whether users communicate with each other through internet service. Networking social network service used primarily for the non-social interpersonal communication. Social network, social navigation social network service used to preliminary for using user to find specific information or resources. There have been attempts to standardize these services to avoid the need to duplicate enters of the friends and interest. A study reveals that India recorded world's largest growth in the item of social media user in 2013. In 2013 survey found that 73% of USA adult use social network site. Some of the newly added social networks are Clubhouse, Rumble, MV, Gap, Trill, WT, Valence, Flip, Pobase, Elpa, Ubo, Peanut, House Party, Caffeine, Steemit, Goodreads, Twist, Cringbits, Wattpad, Crunchyroll, SoundCloud, Mocospace, Couchsurfing, Italic, Medium, Yellow, Vimeo, Gippy, Trip, Kausisho, Immure, Influencer, Film Affinity, Open, Bubbly. Human, these are the newly launched social network. So human nature by default has been programmed to be so especially active to certain extent. Some people are more active while other are less so. However, people have always been looking for ways to connect and network with each other. And in this age of distribution, people have found way to be social active on, on the internet, which is possible with the advent of the numerous social network platform and app. Now, your relationship began grow and end on social network. People no longer need to a person handshake or face to face meeting. Social media sites have also grown in numerous number of by leaps and bounds. As per statistics revealed on Statistia, approximately 2 billion users used social network site and app in 2015. With the increased use of mobile device, this number is likely to be across the 2.6 billion mark by 2018. So, in this we discuss some of the most popular social media sites that are being explored by the world today. You can find out if your favorite social media platform is a part of this list and even learn about some really good online social platform that you can start using today. So, popular social media are Facebook. This is easily the largest social networking site in the world and one of the most widely used. And Facebook was perhaps the first that surpassed the landmark of 1 billion used accounts. Apart from the ability to network with the friends and relatives, you can also access different Facebook apps to see online and you can even market or promote your business, brand and product by using paid Facebook ad. Recently, Facebook has lost the trust of millions of its users by allowing third parties to access over 87 million user personal data. This is a massive breach of trust and has created a feeling of unrest amongst the social media platform of audience. So much use that there is no a delete Facebook campaign where people are completely removing themselves from the Facebook and using other network instead. If you are connected about that Facebook is doing with your data, then why not check out my guide on alternative to Facebook and see if there is a better place for you to interact with family and friends. WhatsApp. Dispute having been acquired by Facebook in 2014, this instant messaging platform to existing an independent entity. It arrived on the scene much later than Facebook, but has been able to capture the imagination of millions of people across the world by using them, the ability to communicate and share instantly with individuals and groups. The WhatsApp call feature is just the icing on the cake. Next, QQ. Recent QQ, more popular known as QQ. QQ is an instant messaging chat based social media platform. It became international after it was launched in China. It can be used to stay in touch with friends through text, video call, and voice chats. If even as a built-in translator to translate your chats. To find out more, head over to our Chinese social media stat page. WeChat. This is an all-in-one communication app for the messaging and calling similar or WhatsApp. That is enable you connect. That is enable your connect with the people of your choice. It was also developed by the recent in China and can easily work alongside QQ. As per the BI intelligence report, the number of WeChat users are fast catching up within the number of WhatsApp users. Qzone. Like QQ and WeChat, Qzone is a yet another social network service developed by recent. It enables you to share photos, watch video, listen to songs, write blogs, maintain diaries, and so on. It also empowers you to choose the access and customize the look and feel of your Qzone web page. Tumblr have been owned by Yahoo since 2013. Tumblr serves as a social media or microblogging platform that can be used to find and follow things that you like. You can also use it to post anything, including multimedia, to a short form blog. Moreover, it gives you the flexibility to customize almost everything. Instagram. In this app, this photo sharing social network app does enable you to capture the best moments of your life with your phone's camera or any other camera and convert them into work of art. This is possible because Instagram allows you to apply multiple filters to your photos and you can easily post them into other popular social network sites such as Facebook and Twitter. It is now part of Facebook empire. Learn how to grow your Instagram audience. Read more on Instagram tools to help you increase social engagement and audience number. Twitter. This social networking site enables you to post short text message containing a limited number of characters to convey your message to the world. With the growing craze of online shopping, Twitter also makes it possible to promote your business and even shop directly through the tweets. Google Plus. Owned by the techo giant Alphabet Google. This interest-based social network platform enables you to stay in touch with people by sharing message, photos, video, useful links to site and so on. It also extended support for video conferencing through Angston and allow the business to promote their brand and product through Google Plus business pages. Baidu Tieba. Offered by Baidu of China, a search engine company, Baidu Tieba, known as Postbar internationally, that is, Baidu Tieba is known as international, Postbar International, is a social forums network based on the keyword searches in the Baidu search engine. This discussion forum work on unique concept of the allowing you to create a social network group of specific topic. Using the search or even to join the existing online social group. Skype. Skype, owned by Microsoft, is one of the most popular communication-based social network platform. It allows you to connect with people through voice or video call and text message. You can even conduct group conference call. And the best part in that Skype to Skype call are freely and can be used communicated with anyone located in any part of the world over the internet. Viber, the multi-lingual social platform which is available is more than 30 languages, is known as for instant text messaging and voice messaging capabilities. You can also share photos and videos and audio message using Viber. It offers you the ability to call non-Viber users through future named Viber out. Cinewebo. This is a highly popular micro-blogging social platform in China that is known for its hybrid mix on Twitter and Facebook features. Line. A line is a global available message social network that enables you to share photos, video, text message and even audio message or files. In addition to allow you make voice and video call at any time of the day. Snapchat. This is an image messaging social platform that enables you to chat within friends by using picture. It allows you to explore news and even check out live stories that are happening around the world. YY is the major video based social networking platform in China that enable group video chats. In such chats, more than 1 lakh members can be watched single person doing an activity. Such an activity can be anything from giving a tutorial video to singing karaoke, which help the users earn virtual currency that they can later convert into cash. Nokte. Vk is one of the largest social network platform in Russia and has quite similar features to Facebook. Pinterest. Pinterest is the photo sharing and visual bookmaking social media site or app that enable you find new idea for your project and save them. So you can do DIY task or home improvement project, plan your travel agenda and so on by using Pinterest. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is easy one of the most popular professional social networking site and app and is available in over 20 languages. It is used across the globe by all types of professionals and serve as an ideal platform to connect with the different business located and hire ideal candidates and more. It boasts over 400 million members. Telegram. This instant message network is similar to WhatsApp and is available across platforms in more than 8 languages. However, Telegram has always focused more on the privacy and security of the message you send over the internet by using platform. So it empowers you to send messages that are encrypted and self-destructive. These encryption features have only just been made available for WhatsApp, whereas Telegram has always provided it. Reddit. So this social media platform enables you to submit content and later vote for the content. The voting determines whether the content move up or down, which is ultimately organized based on the area of interest. Taringa is one of the largest social network platforms in Latin America and allow users to share their experience, content and more. Foursquare. This is a local search and discover based social media platform that enables you to find the ideal place based on your location to go to with friends and loved ones. It also gives appropriate search result for the best food outlets, night entertainment places and more in your areas. The social networking features is now available in separate app named Swarm. Renren. This is the largest social networking site in China and is literally a platform for everyone. It has been highly popular with the youth due to its similar to Facebook, as it allows users to easily connect with others, quickly share thoughts and post and even update their moods. Tagged. This is a great social media site based on friendship and dating, and in 2011 it acquired another social network platform called Hi5. It enables you to socialize with others through games, browsing profiles, common interests and so on. Badoo. This dating-based social network site operates in more than 200 countries. It shares details about people nearby in your area and even about people whom you may have bumped into in real life. MySpace. This is a music-focused social networking site and provides an interactive and user-submitted network of friends. It also provides blogs, groups, personal profile, pictures, videos and so on. Mix is all about discovering new content that you will love. Officially launched in 2018. Mix had a previous life as another well-known platform. The network is new aggregation site that allow you to collect your favorite content. Thank you to browser extension and smartphone app, you can easily save favorites, share site and more. The Dots. The Dots.com is a network platform that helps everyone involved in the creative process connect, collaborate and commercialize, helping build a stronger, more profitable and diverse creative sector. Burnout of genuine passion to make the creative industry more open and meritocratic. Founder Bip Jimson launched the platform in UK in the year 2014. Kiwibox. This is the community-based social network site, especially for those who live in the New York. It offers an online magazine to target teens through the fashion tips, advice and chat. It also allows young adults to let everyone know about their skill and interest. So apart from this, there are so many popular social media is there. Among I think one not one of the major social media is in the world. So apart from there are few I will discuss it in this session. So next you can study the popular social media of this site and also some top what are the social media of we'll discuss it. Facebook. So I already discussed about Facebook, most popular social media. Facebook is one of the most recognizable social media platform in the world with 2.7 billion monthly active users. More than third of the world population use Facebook. Founded on February 4, 2014. The Facebook is founded on February 4, 2014. Facebook has constantly evolved through the year to fit the need of its user and attract new ones. This includes the acquisition of Instagram and WhatsApp. Business can create their own pages, groups and events. Facebook also offers targeted advertising opportunity for those who want to increase visibility to specific consumers. Business can also Facebook Messenger to send professional message to customers. YouTube. YouTube is not just a most popular video sharing website in the world. It's also the second most popular search engine behind Google. The company was founded in 2005 and was eventually bought by Google. YouTube has over 2 million logged in visitors per month. There are even more who visit the site and watch video without signing into their own account. Basically, a business that want to use video marketing can use the YouTube to reach a wide audience. The site also provides analytics, facilitates interaction between user and lets you embed videos in another website. Twitter. Twitter is gained notoriety as a microblogging site that just including text post of up to 140 characters. Since its launch in 2006, it has raised that character limit and now lets user share other media like photos and video. WhatsApp. So we already read about what is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is a major media to develop our area. So WhatsApp is one of the most important social media to work along with the Facebook, just like Facebook or in Telegram. So Instagram. So Instagram are the another social media channel with heavily emphasis on visual. Then site launched in 2010 and was later purchased by Facebook. It has more than 1 billion monthly active user and is mainly mobile platform like Facebook, Instagram offer targeted advertising option to help business user reach a specific user. Instagram also offer various posting options including photos, video, slideshow, stories and live streams. Snapchat, Snapchat or TikTok. TikTok. The TikTok is more familiar. So many people are made TikTok when the India into when the quarrel between China, when our prime minister banned the network of the or social media of the China. The major one was TikTok. So many people were crying for stopping the TikTok because so many people, a citizen, are more involved in TikTok, preparing TikTok, or desire to TikTok. So one of the most social media in the youngers. So here Snapchat or TikTok. Snapchat is a mobile messaging social media platform. A user can share one-time content with friends or post stories that go out to all that user follows. Released in 2011, the app quickly became popular, especially with young consumers. It has since slowed bit. However, there are still about 360 million monthly users worldwide using this social media channel. Brands that market to young consumer can set up business account and advertise on the app. So what are the benefits of social media business? A social media sites allow you to interact with customers on personal level. You can share posts with a wide audience and respond to people one on one. Since most of your audience is likely using at least some social media site, it's a good option for reaching a new target customers and communicating with current customers. Many social media platforms also offer targeted advertising options. Benefit of social media for business. A social media is global platform through which one can reach out of the world. Millions of people access social media daily, which means brand can find the majority of their customer base in one single place. The importance of social media presence cannot be overlooked, whether you are a small business or a big corporation. The role of social media in business communication. Currently, a social media has no competitor when it comes to business communication. Its search power and presence are unlike any, and this is why brands are utilizing a whole banquet of social media platform. The Facebook, Twitter, Instagrams and Snapchat. The future social media is bright and it's the perfect place to build conversation with clients and customers so they feel connected to the business. Reason why social media is important for the business. Some of the reasons is there. Why? Attract existing customer. Attract existing customer. The boredom of customers' engagement. Easy reputation of management. Social media presence for business. Benefits. Some of the benefits are in the social network. Faster, easier communication. It is the fastest and easier communication of the social network. Networking and partnership. This is very, very important. Boost organic visibility. Increasing website traffic. Customer feedback. Impress potential customers. Branding. Track your competitions. Use generated content and crowdsourcing of idea. So these are the very, very important of benefit of social network media. So dear student, we are very I hope we are better understand about the social networking. So I will hope you better to understand about the social network and what are the new form of social network existing in this modern days. Okay, so all the best of luck students, all the best for your future and purpose. Okay, thank you very much.